Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have an SSD from a company called ModusTech. We worked with them before, they're great. This is a 512 gigabyte NVMe external drive. It already comes with the NVMe inside. The size is 512, but I think you can buy up to 2 terabytes from them. And super convenient, super tiny plug and play backup solution, LED indicator in the front as you can see by the blue light, and high speed up to 2300 megabytes a second. It comes with 3-year warranty, secure storage, and on the back we have again some specs up to 2300 megabytes a second, so basically about 2 gigs a second. Interface is USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and it's compatible with laptops and PCs, MacBook, iMac, gaming consoles, smartphone, tablets, and smart TVs. Basically anything that has a USB slot, you can connect this to it, have it as a backup, or use it as an external drive for video editing, stuff like that. Super convenient. So yeah, basically that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a support card. So basically, if you got any issues, scan this QR code and you'll get in touch with one of their team who will assist you with your issue, but hopefully there will be no issues. It's basically so easy to use, plug and play. And here is a list of troubleshooting, quick troubleshooting. So not recognized, slow data transfer, files not copying, not showing on console, error when unplugging, everything that you might encounter, it's here. So I suggest you keep this just in case. We also have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which has this Type-C to Type-A adapter, basically to use on devices that don't support Type-C, or maybe you don't have a lot of Type-C ports available, because most of devices have 2, 3 at max. So if you don't have enough, they got you covered with this adapter. This adapter will plug into any USB port. Make sure it's the required speed, USB 3 Gen 2. And yeah, then we have the SSD itself, which has this aluminum case, which also acts as a heatsink. It's super convenient in size. As you can see, it's really tiny. It will definitely fit in your pocket. Super lightweight as well. In the front right here we have the USB Type-C port, obviously to connect it to your device, and that tiny hole right there, it's basically the LED light which will indicate that it's connected or the files are transferring. On the front right here we have the ModusTech branding, which looks really nice, and pretty much that's it. That's all you get in the box. I'm gonna go ahead now and connect it to my PC, and basically we're gonna copy 3 raw videos and we'll see the transfer speed. It should be basically instant. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the portable SSD, it's connected to my PC. Basically it's to a 10 gigabyte port which is connected to Thunderbolt, so it's literally the best scenario you can get. To connect it was super simple. Basically just plug in the cables and that's it. It will show up here. It shows as 512 gigabyte HDD, even though it's an SSD. They just named it like that. I'm going to go ahead now and copy these items to it. It's about 3 gigabytes in size. So we have here about 5 videos. As you can see, the size is 3.07 gigabytes, and we're just gonna drag it. So we select it just like so, and then we're dragging it to the SSD. And those are 4K videos as well. And that's it. Literally took 2 seconds and it's ready to go. I have successfully backed up those videos onto the SSD, and now you can just unplug it and do whatever you want, have it as a backup. Maybe you work remote and you want to take your work with you. This is definitely the way to go, especially that it's so portable. If you guys want to buy this portable SSD, I'm going to have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check them out. They also provide hard drives. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.